guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Prisha Das with a new video again. And I know like it's too late, like I wasn't active on my YouTube channel. ठीक है, but hopefully वापस मैं आई हूँ and I'll try to be consistent with my YouTube channel. And there were many reasons behind कि मैं like I couldn't make videos or like I couldn't shoot because of my exam thing, and I have a lot of assignments stuff and all and exam issues. So yeah, let's begin, and yeah, I'll be consistent, and yes, let's hope for the best. And here is about this four particular products I've been using since 1.5 months, and I just wanted to share a review about this product. And because I have a lot of acne issues, I have a very oily sensitive skin, and बहुत ज़्यादा मेरा face में oil होता है, and like all of like many products and multiple products I have already tried out on my face, but nothing worked. And ये भी एक जैसा review है, मैं आपको like देना चाहूँगी. So guys, जो ये पहला product है Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash, combi oily acne prone skin. Second one है Plum Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner. And third one है Plum Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer. And the last one है Plum Green Tea Clear Face Mask. So guys, firstly take a cotton pad and soak into the water and clean your face. Like I have not put any kind of makeup, but still I want to clean the face before using the Plum face wash to get a nice exfoliation. So I have already tied my band and ready to clean my face. So a reason that I love this Plum face wash because it's so free, gentle foaming face wash, rich in antioxidant because it has green tea extract. It has glycolic acid which helps to get rid of dirt and deeply cleanse your pores. And also it has natural cellulose beds which gently exfoliates your skin. So basically it's very good for acne prone. So now comes the green tea clear face mask, and the reason I love this mask because it has creamy texture and a clay mask deeply cleanses your clogged pores, remove dead cells and oil, and also gently exfoliates the skin and helps to promote new skin cells. So and also it fades your acne and acne marks. I use twice in a week, and it gives a very good glow and cleans the skin very well. So finally I have washed my face, and you can see it has exfoliated very well on my skin. It's giving me a healthy look, and it's giving me a cooling effect on my face. And I'll be using the Plum alcohol free toner. The best part of the toner is like it smells amazing and very fresh. It gives me a cooling effect on my face. And now I'll be using the Plum Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer, which is really good for good oily skin people, and it absorbs well on your skin, and oily skin people out there, we are good to go. मैंने आपको डिटेलिंग दे दी है ये चारों प्रोडक्ट का, एंड जस्ट आई वांट टू गिव एन ओवरव्यू ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट कि ये स्किन के लिए अच्छा है. लाइक यू कैन यूज़ फॉर योर ड्राई स्किन, ऑयल स्किन और सेंसिटिव स्किन और कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन. आप ये लाइक यूज़ कर सकते हो या नहीं, ये अच्छा ब्रांड है. सर गिव इट जस्ट एन ओवरव्यू ऑफ दिस. एंड मैंने फर्स्टली आई टेल यू कि मैंने ये किट क्यों लिया था. एंड दिस किट आई गॉट इट फॉर रुपीज़ 30 to 1400 अराउंड. एंड मैंने ये किट पूरा ट्राई किया था अराउंड 1.5 month. And like there's no reason to hate Plum because it's a very good brand, and as it has green tea which is very natural thing. Like we take green tea also because of a lot of antioxidants it's found in green tea. So basically overview जो Plum का है, ये green tea extract से बनी हुई है. And someone who is obsessed or someone who is very much like love with green tea can also try this product. I'll not say it has done so much miraculous to my skin. I had a lot of acne, and to cure acne, I thought I would just give it a try to this natural green tea brand called Plum. So I didn't found it to be very good, but yeah, it's okay. I am in love with this green tea pore cleansing face wash because this is my second tube, and I'm in love with this green tea face wash because it doesn't dry out, or it doesn't make a face very oily. It's a very good face wash. Like it comes with a very mild cleansing gel type of thing, and it has little minor granules which will like gently exfoliate your skin, and it's very good. Someone if you want to try out with this, it's a very basic cleanser, you can say, to just clean out very well. It exfoliates very well. I really recommend this, face wash. It's very good. And also, this is my personal favorite, and I love this plum, this clay mask. And it's something that gives me happy, because whenever I put this mask on my face, I really enjoy it, because some sort of tan, it removes the tan, and it gives me a very healthy look, and something like a very good brightening skin, you can say. Whenever I apply this mask, और ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है, it gives me plumpy look kind of thing. So I really recommend this. अगर आपको like if you are going for a mask, you want to like hydrate your skin, you want to just boost your skin up, this is something very good. You can check it out. And also I'll tell you something about this mask. It's purely green tea extract. You can feel the like you can feel your skin, और आप जब लगा दो हल्का सा sensation आपको लगेगा, you get a little bit of sensation in your skin, but it's okay. But like it's working, you feel like it's working on your skin. It's really very nice on your skin. After washing off, like you'll feel very good. And with the toner, it's okay. It's an alcohol-free toner. What I felt is I thought there will be no such kind of smell. I thought about this toner, but there is a mild smell which is very fresh actually. And yeah, it's okay. It's a fine toner, you can use it. It dries out well on your skin. And also I'll talk about the moisturizer. This is the Plum moisturizer. So about this moisturizer, this is a very good moisturizer, and this is a mattifying moisturizer, and it feels very greasy on your face. It's very lightweight, and you don't feel like you have wrote anything on your face. It's very good for the skin, very oily. It is very smooth on your face, and for the oily people out there who have very much oily skin, this moisturizer is. Guys, if you want this product, you can go to any online website, Amazon, Nykaa, Myntra, Flipkart, and also Plum has its own website. You can go there. It's very good for a beginner to start a skincare routine, and you guys should start a skincare routine. It's very necessary for our skin. बहुत ज़रूरी है अगर face. And that's it for today. So guys, if you love the video, give a thumbs up to this video, share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more updates, and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home. Bye.